Introduction to linear regression. Linear regression is a fundamental statistical method used in machine learning to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The primary goal of linear regression is to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the values of the independent variables by fitting a linear equation to observed data. Key concepts: 1. Dependent variable, response variable, the variable that we aim to predict or explain, often denoted as YYY. 2. Independent variables, predictors, the variables used to predict the dependent variable. 3. Linear equation, simple linear regression, models the relationship between two variables using a straight line. Multiple linear regression extends simple linear regression by including multiple independent variables. Assumptions of linear regression. 1. Linearity. The relationship between the dependent and independent variables is linear. 2. Independence. Observations are independent of each other. 3. Homoscedasticity. Constant variance of the residuals, errors, across all levels of the independent variables. 4. Normality. The residuals, differences between observed and predicted values, are normally distributed. Advantages of linear regression. 1. Simplicity, easy to understand and implement. 2. Interpretability. The model provides clear insights into the relationship between variables through the coefficients. 3. Efficiency, computationally efficient, making it suitable for large datasets. Disadvantages of linear regression. 1. Linearity assumption assumes a linear relationship, which may not always be the case. 2. Sensitivity to outliers. Outliers can significantly affect the model's performance. 3. Collinearity. High correlation among independent variables can distort the model's estimates and predictions. Applications of linear regression. 1. Economics, predicting economic indicators like GDP, inflation rates, and stock prices. 2. Healthcare, estimating medical costs, predicting patient outcomes, and analyzing the effects of treatments. 3. Marketing, forecasting sales, analyzing customer behavior, and determining pricing strategies. 4. Engineering, predicting material strength, failure rates, and resource allocation. Steps in implementing linear regression. 1. Data collection, gather data relevant to the problem at hand. 2. Data preparation, clean and preprocess the data, handling missing values and outliers. 3. Model training, use statistical software or programming languages, like Python or R, to fit the linear regression model to the data. 4. Model evaluation, assess the model's performance using metrics like R-squared, mean absolute error, MAE, and mean squared error, MSE. 5. Prediction, use the trained model to make predictions on new, unseen data. Conclusion: linear regression is a powerful tool for predicting continuous outcomes based on input features. Its simplicity and interpretability make it a popular choice for many applications. However, it is essential to be aware of its assumptions and limitations to ensure accurate and reliable predictions.